How you doing? My name is Oscar Moran and I work for AC Beyond. A couple of years ago I wrote a book. Kind of had a problem trying to lift it up. We couldn't do it, but now we're able to finish the book and it's on Amazon. It's under Oscar Moran and this is the book. As you can see, it's detailed and it's about pressures and temperatures. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing videos on the electrical, but also I'm gonna be doing videos on the book for pressures and temperatures. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link at the bottom of on YouTube and also on the other media that you can link on it directly to Amazon, and you can purchase the book there if you want. All the videos I'm going to be talking about pretty much all the pages that are in the book, step by step, and also I'm going to keep doing also the electrical videos. The back of the book, as you can see, it's going to be the book maybe released hopefully this year on it's going to same thing on Amazon, and I'm going to have it under my website acbeyond.com hopefully this year soon. Well, hopefully this year, okay? And also I want to thank the mighty Lord for helping me do the book, and also I want to thank my teacher and Abdullah and Tom Moran, not related, for them to help me learn the trade for this years ago. Thank you for everything. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe on YouTube, also on Instagram, and on LinkedIn I'm going to be under Oscar Moran. Thank you for everything and goodbye.